Hello everyone and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we're gonna discuss how to restore WhatsApp messages on Android. So without wasting any time, let's start the video. First of all, if you want to restore your messages after you uninstall your WhatsApp, what you have to do, you have to click on three dots. After that, you have to click on settings. In setting, what you have to do, you have to click on chats. If you scroll down, then here you find chat backup option. Here I will tell you what you have to do so that you can back up your chats when you reinstall your WhatsApp. First of all, you have to turn on the end-to-end encrypted backup so that your backup can only access by you, even not Google or WhatsApp. So you have to enable it by entering password, as I have already turn this on, so I don't have to. After that, you have to go back, and what you have to do is you have to select when you want to backup to Google Drive. If you select on never, then it will never back up your messages. If you select only when I tap backup, then only it will back up your messages, then you tap. If you select daily, then it will restore your messages daily and create a backup on the Google Drive. After selecting all that, you have to select Google account so that Google Drive can save your messages on your email. After that, you have to select on which type of data connection you want to do backup. As I am connected to Wi-Fi, that's why it is asking if you want to use cellular connection. Moreover, they also ask if you want to include videos. If you want to include videos, then you have to turn this on. If you don't want, then you have to turn this off. After doing all the settings, what you have to do is you have to go back, and you can easily now uninstall your WhatsApp, and simply you can you can again reinstall your WhatsApp. And what you have to do is, if you want to create your backup, simply you have to again tap on three dots, again select on settings, and you have to go to chats. And if you want your messages back, simply you have to click on backup, and all your messages will be restored to your WhatsApp. Hope you have liked this video. Kindly subscribe our channel.